Welcome to Mark's Motorsports and Farming channel. In this video, I'm going to go over the maintenance that's involved with a Discbine, or which could be applied to a disc mower. And I did this a few days before this video is being filmed, so won't be like previous years where I've been able to, where I open things up and actually do it. So yeah, basically wherever there's two places that come together, somebody must have, I think my brother whipped some weeds since I did, but there's one there, one here, and one there. Yeah, wherever you see that the manufacturer put an arrow like that, then you know to look for a circ there. There's one in there. There you go. Put that shield up. I want to get to it. And here too. Pop that apart. Or open, not apart necessarily. And there again, arrow pointing to it, so I believe it's right about there. And then here where the slow moving sign is, there's a door that opens. And there's one for sure in there. And one there. And that's what the arrow was pointing to. And then where you see that black flap, I actually saw that there's 3 of them in there this time around. 2 knuckles, and then one where the shaft slides. There's a shaft that slides whenever you swing the hitch. And you don't always have that. If it's a type where the hitch only swings one way rather than both ways like this one does, then you may not have that. And then some more circ on that you have to open this. I'm going to say that's a panel, open that up and you get to that one there. Yeah, there's an actual knuckle in there, that where you normally open this curtain. That's what they call it, curtain. That. Then there'll actually be more daylight where you can see the knuckle inside there better. And this one just has it on this side, does not have it on the other side. And obviously, make sure that the tires have the right amount of air in them. Usually the owner's manual will tell you how much to put in there. So, and yeah, make sure you have sharp enough knives or blades. So, anyways, on this machine, I just put new ones on, you know, before the start of last year's season, so we know they're good for the amount of hay that this cuts. So, but then that's a wrap as far as the 2025 Discbine maintenance goes. Yeah, it was, you know, just one of those things we just kind of did it, and it was starting to get dark outside, so I didn't grab this camera, you know, to actually, you know, do it, and help some of you, you know, see a little more what to actually look for. I mean, I did my best to point them all out in this video, but most years when I go to do this maintenance, you know, I usually bring the camera along, but this year it didn't work out that way, so I'm doing it this way instead. So next time you see this machine, we'll be cutting hay down. So with that, I thank you guys for watching these videos. That's certainly appreciated. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Be sure to click on the like button, and if you haven't already, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And once you're subscribed, then be sure to click on the bell. You'll be notified whenever a new video is posted. Be sure to follow Mark's Motorsports and Farming channel on Facebook as well. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you later.